Application is the key. Application is the key. Take action. You need to take action. Hindi enough ang alam mo. Hindi enough ang natutunan mo. Hindi enough ang puro ka lang watch later at save for inspiration. Application is the key. Take action. Ang dami ng courses. Ang dami mo ng courses. Ang dami mo ng workshops. Ang dami mo nang nakasave na motivational videos sa phone and laptop mo. Ang dami mo ng mga notes sa notebook at iPad mo. Pero bakit wala pa ring progress? Bakit wala ka pa ring progress? Bakit walang breakthrough? Bakit parang same pa rin ang life? Araw-araw, every week, every month, every year, bakit parang same pa rin ang life? Simple lang. Wala ka kasing application. Wala ka kasing action. Knowledge without action ay collection lang. Again, let me remind you, knowledge without action is a collection. Nagko-collect ka lang. You can pray for change, yes. You can dream of success. You can visualize your goals. Pero kung hindi ka naman gumagalaw, walang mangyayari. Walang shift. Walang bago, walang changes, walang transformation, walang breakthrough, walang results, walang progress. Action creates your momentum. Actions builds your confidence. Action opens doors. Action opens opportunity. At minsan, isang maliit na action lang, magbabago na ang buhay mo. Even in the Bible, hindi lang believe ang instructions. You need to walk. You need to go. You need to obey. You need to move. Miracles follow movement. Breakthrough follows obedience. Promotion follows stewardship. Hindi ka ginawang anak ng Diyos para manatiling stuck. Ginawa ka niya para maging equipped ka. And para lumakad ka. So if you want change, kung gusto mo ng growth, gusto mo ng results, stop waiting now. Stop overthinking now. Stop delaying. Application is the key. Take action now, today. This is the moment. Because the life you want will only unlock when you finally move. So move.